HUION was kind enough to send me this tablet to review. It's called the Kamvas Pro 16 with a 2.5K resolution, which is always better. I have never used a HUION tablet before, but that changes today. In this video, I'll be unboxing this tablet, testing its performance, and giving my honest review on it. So without wasting any more time, let's do this. So we have the tablet here on the top. Let's take it out and check its weight. Not too heavy and not too light. Seems like a good weight. Let's put that aside and see what's next. Let me take off this thing. And yeah, we have something that I have no idea about. Let's take a closer look. What is this thing? Maybe I'm too dumb. I'll probably figure this out later. And here we can open this box and see our trusted little glove there. Nice and soft fabric. Pretty standard stuff. You get this glove on almost all of the tablets out there these days. And here we have the adapter and some USB cables. I think the red one is for power and the other one is the standard C-type cable. And we have more cables. I'm sure you all understand how to use these cables. If not, I suggest that you visit HUION's website. Alright, so back to the mystery box. What's inside? The suspense is killing me, dude. Oh, we have a cloth to wipe the screen, get rid of the dust. Cool. And we have a large manual, but I already know how to use this tablet. I've done this before, trust me bro. Next we have the stand. The stand seems sturdy. It's a little heavy but not too much. I don't think it will move when you draw over your tablet. Seems good. It also has 3 levels so you can adjust it according to your liking. Okay, I might have to use the manual for this one. There we go. Okay, what's next? By the way, I really like the attention to detail. Look at these small icons on the boxes. Love them. Let's see what this one has inside. It's a pen holder with a hole in it. It's a pen hole. Okay, never mind. If you open it up, we have all the pen nibs in there. But why on earth are they all scattered? I have no clue. Who put these there like this? I want to speak to HUION. My experience has been ruined. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, time for the other one. The other one probably has the pen inside. Yep, here we go. It's wrapped in plastic, so let's get rid of that. The pen has a nice grip. Feels good and comfortable in the hand. And it feels pretty lightweight. Now let's open up the tablet. And here we have it. Wow, looks pretty sleek. And you must have noticed that once I tilt the tablet, its surface does not have a huge glare or reflection. I mean, it has a reflection since I have a high intensity light just on the top, but the glare is not too crazy. It means that the tablet has a nice matte finished screen, which is certainly a good thing. On the left we have these buttons. They're all customizable, not too clicky. Now let's try putting the tablet on the stand. It feels pretty stable, and you can of course adjust the angle using different levels available on the stand. Now let's connect it and turn this on. Now let's talk about the tablet's features. This tablet has a resolution of 2.5K, which is also known as QLED, I think. So it's slightly lower than 4K, but definitely better than a standard 1080p HD display. It also has 145% sRGB, which means that it has really nice, sharp and vivid colors. The display is fully laminated, so it doesn't feel like you're scratching on a hard surface. It has a nice matte finish, so it feels very natural and comfortable to draw on. I've also noticed that its response rate is pretty good, so it feels faster and has less lag. The pen has 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, which is common in almost all of the styluses that come with the tablets these days. The pen also has customizable buttons and it's battery free. There are also buttons on the side of the tablet. These buttons are all customizable as well. As default, these have been set to zoom in and out of the canvas, change the rotation, and for color picking and panning. But you can set them to your liking. I'm also noticing that a 16-inch tablet is a good size to work on. If you carry around your tablet a lot, maybe a 13-inch tablet would be easier to handle, and if you have a dedicated space and like to draw on bigger screens, then there are 22-inch tablets as well. But this 16-inch tablet feels pretty balanced to me. I'm loving the colors, to be honest. The picture quality is crisp. The build quality of the tablet itself is good and feels sturdy, but it doesn't feel like premium, you know? And that's understandable because the price is really attractive. But that doesn't mean that the tablet feels flimsy, because that's not the case. The stand is of good quality, but the finishing on it is pretty ordinary. Now let's talk about the drawing experience. I started off with drawing diagonal lines on the tablet to see if there is any jitter issues. So the tablet that usually have this issue will show a somewhat wobbly line, but so far this tablet is doing a great job. The lines seem precise. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like this is much better than some of the XP Pen tablets that I have used in the past. The pressure sensitivity is working great as well, so I can apply low pressure to get a smaller or lighter line, and then I can increase the pressure to get a bigger and thicker line. This could also be used if you're not working with line but painting directly. Apply low pressure, get less paint on the canvas. Apply more pressure, get thicker paint on the digital canvas. One of the buttons on the tablet is actually an eraser, which means that I can seamlessly switch between brush and eraser while drawing. This is pretty useful when you are in a concepting stage and getting those character silhouettes done, and also if you are inking a comic book style illustration. Okay, so the drawing experience was pretty good. The tablet felt responsive and precise. The surface felt good to work on. So far, I have never had any bad experiences with this. I'm honestly impressed. So let me draw a quick artwork and experience what it's like creating art on this device. Time lapse coming up now. To sum it up, it's a really nice device and great value for money. Please don't forget that if you buy a Cintiq 16 which is from Wacom, it probably cost you double, or maybe even more than that, I don't remember. So if you are a beginner or at an intermediate level, I don't think you can go wrong with this one. And lastly, if you want to check it out, I have put a link down in the description for you. Alright, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and comment down below. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.